Hi, I'm Devin. I'm the head of customer service for Vive Health, and in today's video, we'll cover the setup for the Vive Raised Toilet Seat. The best part about the toilet seat is that there are no special tools or equipment needed for installation, so it's easy to do on your own. I'll also cover the step-by-step installation process so that you can feel confident that you've safely secured your raised toilet seat. With your order, you will receive the raised toilet seat with adjustable screw knob and 2 removable padded armrests. To install the removable padded armrests in your Vive Raised Toilet Seat, start by depressing the brass locking pins on either side and fitting the armrest into the metal sockets on either side of the raised seat. Fit the armrest in, depress the locking pins so that the armrest can fit fully down into the socket, and press down until the locking pins pop back into place in the adjustment holes. You'll then repeat these steps on the other side to install the other armrest, and you're all set with assembly. To install your Vive Raised Toilet Seat, begin by removing the existing toilet seat and lid. Next, you'll fit the raised toilet seat underneath the rear lip of the toilet bowl using the rear lip on the back of the seat. Once fitted into place, securely tighten the knob at the front to clamp the toilet seat down into the toilet bowl, and make sure that the toilet seat is securely fastened before use. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.